Okay, so now it's come the time for me to get my cracking gear and get some stuff done here. So I'm going to start with tearing apart this here measly little chicken run. We had to prop a tire up and stuff in front of it to keep the dog from being so nosy. So we got a lot of stuff to change up in here. But I must move the 2 rabbits. Rabbit pen, not chicken run. Move the 2 rabbits. Get them situated while I work on their pen. I'm going to extend it. Right now it's like a 6 foot by 6 footish section. I'm going to make it 12 foot long. And use different material, stronger material that's dog resistant. So that I can get everything all done in there. So I've got a whole new setup I'm going to go with. So I'm just doing like a little before here. There's some chickens in that pen. They butt up next to each other but can't get to each other. I'm going to try to keep it that way also. In true homesteading, you use what you got. And I'm taking all of this here hardware, little dinky square pieces off the chicken run because, well, it's trashed from the tree breaking over it. And I got to rebuild that too. I'm going to do it all in one big fail, probably a week's long swoop. So I'm taking this material off and I'll use that to line the bottom of the rabbit pen. Because rabbits can and will dig their way out if there is not fence or something underneath of their pen. But so anyhow, here's the dilapidated chicken run. There's a piece of the branch that we did cut off that fell from that dead snag right up in there. So anyhow, you can see plenty of material where I'm taking it slowly down. So yeah, anyhow, there it is. That's what we're using. Because I got different material for the chicken run itself. So this would just be nothing. So now it's going to be used as a bottom to the rabbits. Okay, so while we're doing this, Maya's over here fighting with the chickens while she's getting off the thing that's holding over there. They're little biters.
I found it, Mommy.
Well, go get it. And then I'm just popping out all these here staples that is blocking the way because, well, those ones don't pop out nearly as easy as some of the rotten wood ones. So I'm just doing this for now. After this part, this whole front will be off as soon as we move this board. So that's just where we're at right now. I'll show you. Took the door down and moved all that stuff out of the way. Yeah, so there we go. There we go. We're getting it. So we got that board down. We took the shade net off. And it's amazing how clear it is. I don't know. We got the whole front off except this board down here on the very bottom. And you got to clean up this crappy bottom down here. Which, hey, cool. Aside from that there feed. I got some compost happening. Yep. Lots to do. But I feel like we're making way. What do you think, Maya? Yeah. Looks better than me. Looks better, yeah. Woo! Yeah. Yep. In true Sarah and Maya building fashion, look at that back pole back there. Whoop! It was straight-ish at one point. Oh, good times. It's rotten and something cribbed on it a little bit. And a tree fell over top that dog kennel there too. So, I feel like we're accomplishing, Maya. For sure. Keep whacking. You only got that there corner here left. Come over here and pry it off. There you go. Maybe. And this is part of her homeschooling. Teaching her some life skills up in here. Not necessarily good building skills, but life skills. Yep.
That went up my butt.
Yeah, that happens. That's wire for you. Can you whack it from that bottom corner there?
This part?
Yeah, right down there. Don't whack yourself.
Move. You're in my way. Ow.
20, 30 years, we'll get there. She's almost got her. Grab that back corner, sis, and walk it this way. Just break it off there. There you go. Now you're going to have to be on the outside because you're going to stand on the metal underneath of it. We got to clean that floor up yet.
I really don't trust this place.
It's a work in progress. Okay, you know, we're getting there. Okay, so you can see we got her done, we got her down, we mostly got her cleaned up. Lots of work, lots of work. Lots of nosy chickens who's cleaning up bugs. Say hi, guys. Yeah, so anyhow, yeah, you see. We're going to move these chickens, put them into the big run, and then tear this kennel down or something so that I can use the divider wall but set it straight, because look, that ain't straight. We're blaming that on the tree that fell and bent it a little bit. That's what we're saying. So anyhow, yep, that'll be next. But woohoo, got her cleaned up. That only took us like an hour and a half-ish. That wasn't terrible. It's good dirt though. Look at that. Nice dirt.